as you can see. Do you see? Yeah. I mean, like, guys, you get a question like this, they're in a test, what will you do? So like this and that, guys, you can't just let them as k unless you are a good liar, guys. You can't do that, because this, it's positive 4x, here it's negative 4x, negative x2, here it's positive x2. So it means this thing, guys, is not the same as that one because of the what? Of the signs. So what about if I can take negative there? This will become positive there, this will divide it, become positive, this divide there, negative x there. Meaning now this is what will happen there. I've got this, which is 4x minus. So your factorizing method, guys, it will help you in this kind of a situation, so that you can take negative there as a common factor. It will divide that, become positive, divide that, become negative, so that they will have the same sign. So this is what will happen, guys. These two things, they will multiply each other, meaning this thing there will be something like this there, which is minus x2 minus 4x there, and here is this thing there. Do you see? And now what I can do, I can just say let k there to be equal to 2 minus 4x there. So now I have let my k there to be equal to this thing, so that my equation will look like this there. Do you see? So now what I can do there, I can just factorize, which is this thing, it's k. Find the factors of 20. When you add or separate, they should give you that invisible one, which is it's 4 and 5. Bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. When I see negative, they should have different sign there. Do you see? Then you know, guys, if you avoid to factorize, you press this thing down a quadratic equation, so that you will get these answers there, which is k, or you will equate this thing, so that here you will get 5. At the same time, you'll get negative 4 there. If you press that thing down quadratic equation, these are the answers that you should get them. But guys, remember, here we are not solving for what? For k there. Here, what are we solving here? We are solving for what? For x. So we'll bring back that x value. Bring x value. This thing will become like this then. Meaning this will be what? Will be equal to 5. Even here it will be 4x, it's equal to negative 4. So then now I have to solve for x there. I just take this thing to the other side, so that they will change the what? The sign, become positive 4, and here I only left it 0 there. Do you see? So this thing there, you can press a quadratic equation, or you can factorize just like this there. So now here I got x, the factors of 4, guys, when you add or separate, they should give you a middle term. It's only 2 and 2. Bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. When you see negative, they should have the same sign there. Do you see? Meaning now I can equate each thing there by what? By 0. Each bracket there by 0. Meaning now my answer there that I should get there, it's what? It's positive 2. At the same time there, it's positive 2. So guys, if you get an answer like this then, you can even write it like this. It's 2 twice there. We got the same answers there. We got equal roots there. Do you see? We got equal roots there. So now for this one, the take that thing there to the other side, you change the sign, become negative 5. Here it's 0. This you can press it on a calculator, or you can just factorize them. Meaning there you can say x and x, the factors of 5, when you add or separate, they should give you a middle term. It's only 1 and 5 when you separate them. Do you see? Bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. When you see negative, they should have different sign. Then you equate each thing there by what? By 0. Each thing there by 0. Then take this thing there to the other side, so that it can be negative. Then take this thing there so that it can be positive. That's how, guys, you solve for x here. Do you see? Then what about this kind of a question then? So for this one there, it's kind of tricky there, because some other learners, they don't know which thing they should let it as k there. So don't get confused, guys. Here is something that you can let it as k. It's nothing. There is nothing that you can let it here as k, because this and that, guys, they are not common. Do you see? But this you can make it to be common as that one. if I can factorize this thing by taking a common factor, which is 2 then. This divided it's x2, this divided it's minus 2x then. Do you see now I have made that thing there to be common as this one? So now these two things, guys, they are common. So it means now I have a chance for me to let k there be equal to x2 minus 2x then. Do you see? So say again now, this is what will happen then. I will just substitute k there, and this thing now, this you can factorize, or you can press it on your quadratic equation. Then when you factorize, open and close, which is here, it's k, then find the factors of 15. When you add or subtract, they give you a middle term. It's only 3 and 5. When you subtract them, they will give you a middle term there. Then say bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. If you see negative there, they will have different sign. Then you equate each thing there by 0, each bracket, by the way, by 0, meaning this will become 3, this one there will become minus 15 there. Do you see? And now what I can do there, I will bring back my x value there, meaning now where there is k, I will substitute back that x, where there is k, I will substitute back that x there, so that this is what will happen there. It will be x2 minus this 3, even here it's x2 minus 2x, which is equal to minus 5 there. So now let me just solve for x now. Take this thing there to the other side, form a quadratic equation there, meaning this thing there, it will be 2x minus 3, 0. And now here, can I factorize this thing? I think so. I can just say open, and close. This is x, find the factors. When you add or subtract, they should give you that. It's 1 and 3. Bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. When you see negative, they should have different sign there. Then you equate each thing there by 0. Say, or here's this one by 0, meaning my first answer here, it's what? Minus 1. Second answer, it's positive 3. Do you see? Yeah. Then what about for this one? This one, take it to the other side. This thing there, it become this there, which is positive 5. And now for this one, can I factorize this one? There's no way, guys, here you can find the factors of 5. When you add or subtract, they should give you a middle term. There is no way there. So the only thing that you can do, press this thing there on your quadratic equation. So I already pressed this thing on a quadratic equation, my answer. So here I got error there. As you can see, everything that I press it correct, but I get error. So if, guys, you get error, it simply says that you write your equation here. Here it's supposed to be minus 2, by the way. Say plus or minus and squared, write that equation here, minus 4 and 1 and 5 divided by 2, 1. So you'll just say here no solution, or you can just say error, or you can just say undefined. Do you see? So here we don't have any solution, and this thing, it's error, at the same time it's undefined. Yeah. So, guys, I hope you did enjoy this lesson. Yeah, I hope you did enjoy, guys, this lesson. You gain a lot. All the best in your studies.